If you want to rotate your screen on your Mac but don't know where to find the setting, today I will show you exactly how to do that. Keep in mind that this method works with all kinds of Macs, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, iMac, MacBook Pro, and MacBook Air. So to change the rotation, go to the Apple logo on the top left corner and click on it. Then on your keyboard, make sure to hold down the Option key, then click on System Settings. Now keep holding down the Option key and open the Display section. This is crucial for showing the rotation setting, otherwise it will be hidden. I assume Apple hid this setting so that people don't accidentally change their screen rotation. Now scroll down to the rotation setting. Here you can rotate the screen to your liking. I personally rotate the screen to 90 degrees for vertical screen recordings. There are some people who face an issue where the rotation setting still doesn't show up. This is usually because the system settings was already opened. So to make sure we show it up, we're going to quit the system settings completely by going to the system settings on the top left and click quit system settings. Now redo what I showed you earlier. This usually shows up the rotation setting. Now if you connect your MacBook to an external monitor, or you connect your Mac desktop to another external monitor, this method still works only if your external monitor supports portrait orientation and you are using it as an extended display. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on mirrored displays because in extended mode, each display is treated as a separate screen space and macOS manages their individual settings, including rotation if supported. If you want more Mac videos, watch them from here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.